Just take the wrap and tightly cover the head of your broom, making sure all the bristles are completely covered. Now start sweeping along baseboards, tight corners, furniture gaps, and those hard to reach cracks where dust, dirt, and hair always build up. You'll notice how everything sticks right to the plastic instead of getting stuck inside the bristles. When you're done, just peel off the wrap and toss it. Your broom stays perfectly clean, and your floors look amazing. For this next hack, wrap a dampened microfiber towel to a broom securely around the head of your broom and fasten it with clothespins or rubber bands so it doesn't slide while you're cleaning. Now stand back and use the broom handle to reach all those high areas like ceilings, wall corners, ceiling fans, tall shelves, vents, curtain rods, and light fixtures. Move in slow, smooth strokes, letting the damp cloth trap the dust instead of sending it into the air. Work your way around the room and pay special attention to corners where dust and spider webs usually collect. This is such a great way to clean safely without climbing ladders or stepping on chairs. It saves time, reduces allergens in the air, and helps your home feel fresher and cleaner in just minutes. If your broom is old, bent, and looks completely worn out, don't throw it away just yet. Start by heating a pot of water until it's very hot, but not boiling. Carefully pour the hot water into a bucket deep enough to dip the broom bristles into. Next, place only the bristles into the hot water and let them soak for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, gently reshape the bristles using your hands or a comb, straightening them back into place. Stand the broom upright and allow it to fully dry. The heat softens the plastic fibers, allowing them to reset back to their original shape. This simple trick restores your broom's sweeping power, saves you money, and helps your cleaning tools last much longer. Which of these 3 hacks surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments and save this so you can use it later.